I'm Tiffany, and I make custom wood pieces. I feel called to create because it allows me a deep form of self-expression. And through my creativity, I also find that I solve problems way better. I never duplicate any of my pieces, so when you order something from me, it's truly one of a kind, and no one in the world is going to have it but you. Well, it was quite a journey to get here. I was in the corporate world for several years after graduating, and I felt that I wasn't able to really explore creatively in that environment. So I started my company not too long after I had my son. So I was simultaneously raising a baby, starting a business, and also rebuilding myself. The pieces that I make of broken, discarded wood are a reflection of me kind of putting myself back together. And I guess if you see the evolution of my work over time, you start to see that concept solidify. So I was always drawing and sketching and wanting to build things. So I started off with it more as a hobby, teaching myself how to work with tools and work with wood, picking up scraps of things that I found outside. And over time, I kind of found my voice. And so I've just stuck with it. The geometry is powerful, it stands out. So I always try to find new ways to work that into my pieces, and it's an ever-evolving thing. Human touch when you're creating something like this can be seen in those small little imperfections. That's something that I celebrate and I find really charming in any handmade piece. And I celebrate it in so many ways within my work. I'm Tiffany, and I'm an Etsy seller.